Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about if your Spectrum internet router or Spectrum internet is not working, so how you can fix or how you can troubleshoot this problem. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there is only two main issues why your internet is not working. The first issue is related to your device. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to unplug your each and every cable from the back side of your internet router. Okay, so when you see at the bottom side you will see there is some cables. Some cable is related to your internet and some cables is related to your you can say power cables. Okay, you need to unplug your power cable and you need to unplug your internet cables. Okay, and once you you can select unplug your each and every cable, you just need to simply reinsert each and every cable. And once you reinsert your each and every cable, you have to wait for some time, approx 20 seconds, and you need to restart your router and you will see your internet will work. Okay, if still internet is not working, then what you have to do, you need to contact with the customer support team and you need to tell them that your internet is not working and they will check what's the issue at their end. Okay, and if there is a major issue or there is a service outage in your area, then they will fix it or they will guide you how much time it will take to service in your area, and as soon as possible they will fix and they will send a technician and they will, you can say, like, fix this issue. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can fix your Spectrum internet problem. Okay, so hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit your like button and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.